How to fix QuickBooks accounting app not working. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for QuickBooks Accounting. And make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the QuickBooks Accounting application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app completely. To delete, go to your home screen and hold on the QuickBooks Accounting application. You will see the Remove App option. Tap on that and further delete the app. And once deleted, open App Store and search for QuickBooks Accounting and reinstall the app again. Wait for the download to complete, and once completed, launch the application and use the application further. And with this, your QuickBooks application should be working just fine by now. So this is how you can fix QuickBooks Accounting app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.